what's up, hood folks? This Jeremy. So, I know. Jeremy, where you at? Jeremy, where you been? Jeremy, when you gonna make another video? Jeremy, is you through cooking? Jeremy, where's our top 5? Jeremy, where's our hood facts? Jeremy, even give us a motherfucking song. I went to KFC on Friday. They had some pickle chicken and it was oh good. So I said, let me go home and make my own chicken a little bit motherfucking hood. The doors of the church. Pass that plate around. Let me stop fucking with y'all. Anyway, so what's up, y'all? Anyway, so I've been on a strategic, long ass hiatus. I've been chilling. I've been doing this. I've been doing that. I've been procrastinating some. If you follow me on Twitter, I'm active on Twitter. But seriously though, so I went to KFC on Friday, right? And I tried out the pickle chicken. And I was like, this tastes good. It has a good flavor to it, but y'all, it wasn't worth the money. It was like $6, and they gave you 3 or 4 little tired ass chicken fingers, some little tired ass biscuit, and then some mashed potatoes. So I was like, man, nah. I'm a hood boy. I can make this shit myself. So I came home. Let me tell y'all what I did. Don't get my foot man now. I got my big knife out. Boom on that ass. Anyway, so what I did, y'all, was I took some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and I soaked them overnight in pickle juice. So this is the base to what is it? Chick-fil-A. Man, you can't talk down. Ain't it Chick-fil-A?
I guess.
You know Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Chick-fil-A, the one that hate the fags. But shit. Anyway, Chick-fil-A, this is the base for how they make their chicken. So what I did was down here, man, they don't want to see me. I put my chicken in here and I soaked it for like 10 hours. And so what I'm gonna do is, I didn't put no salt or nothing on it. So I'm gonna take one breast, like this, and I'm gonna slice it. See, I wish KFC was watching this, especially Popeye, so they can see how a chicken finger supposed to look. Them little dyed ass, sorry, tired ass chicken finger they be making be small as fuck. Can't even enjoy it. Alright, let's take another one. That goddamn chicken got gangrene. Look at it. It got gangrene. The chicken needs some antibiotics. Anyway, so I'm gonna slice them like this. Alright, put that to the side. Now, since I want my chicken to taste like the pickle that KFC got, I'm not gonna load it up with a whole bunch of seasoning because I don't want to kill the pickle taste. Only season I'm gonna put in here is some black pepper. And season salt. That's it. Cause you know, we black folk, when we cook chicken, shit, we put the garlic powder, Lawry seasoning salt, onion powder, paprika. Oh, and paprika. Hold on right there. Man, ain't got no more paprika. Oh, for the sneeze. And some paprika. Damn for the sneeze. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna season my chicken with. Stir it around that good. So y'all miss me for real, cause I got a lot of emails, a lot of messages from different people, and I miss y'all too for real. I know y'all like, oh, but I'm letting y'all know now that I'm finna come back to YouTube and I'm finna do it, y'all. I'm for real, that's a promise. I'm finna change up some shit. I'm finna do some new shit, and y'all will be like, woo, ooh, what is Jeremy doing to us? So you're gonna dredge this in your flour, like that. In your flour, like that. Like that. And also, I want to shout out all the people that sent me personal emails to my Jeremy Hollywood 03 account. Y'all know I got OCD, so I be having my cameraman screen my emails and shit. But if you send me an email, I promise you, I'm going to get back to y'all as well. So that's seasoned real good. So I'm going to let that sit here for about 2 minutes to soak up that flavor, alright? Alright, get back on my chicken. Alright, so I also want to let y'all know that with my chicken, I stab holes in it. And so when it's soaked with the pickle juice, the pickle juice flavor can soak all through the chicken. Alright, so I got my deep fryer on. And we're going to fry these bitches up real good and good. KFC, y'all ain't the only spot that can make some pickle chicken. Shit. Fuck around with me and I give you some of my dear pickle. Ooh. Alright, let's drop these down in the grease. Listen to that beauty. Now that grease, now that's some used grease. And y'all know used grease season the shit out your food. Woo, look at it. Alright, so let me go and cover it up and get the rest of my chicken together. One trick to cooking, if you ain't got that thermometer and all this shit, like they say, stick a thermometer down in it. Don't worry about all this shit. When you hear your chicken get like this, get down close to it. See, now my chicken is dying down. The sound is dying down, so now let's put it up. Oh, shit! KFC can't fry chicken, you motherfuckers, but Jeremy can. Oh! Alright. Don't be sneezing in here, you son of a bitch. Alright, so I'm gonna take this out and let it sit here and drain some grease out for a few seconds. Then drop this other one in. Damn. If y'all ain't got a deep fryer, you better get you one. No, you really gotta get a deep fryer. You just got a good ass pot to do the same thing. Alright, so let's drop that down like that. Alright, so y'all see, I'm gonna let this just sit and drain for a second. Alright? Alright, so I'm gonna take my chicken, put it in a bowl. And let me tell you another thing. If you frying chicken or fish or whatever, and you did not put enough seasoning on it, time you take it out of the grease, put some more salt on it, and that hot grease gonna soak it in, alright? Or soak in the flavor. So just like KFC, we're gonna take some pickle juice. And we're gonna put it all over this chicken like this. And let it soak it in. Cause if you ever bought this pickle, if you ever bought this shit from KFC, they have it loaded up with pickle juice down in the bottom of the bowl. Alright, so let's put a few pickles in this bit. Oh, shit! And shit! Now, alright, so I'm finna get me a little thumbnail and we finna eat the fuck out of this chicken. Alright, hood folks, I need to get me some of this. Y'all like this juice? This is the only juice that still taste good. Hawaiian Punch need to get their ass punched to the floor. Anyway, when I get through making this video, I'm gonna put me some vodka in this shit. Oh. Alright. Get down to here, man. KFC, kiss my ass. If that don't taste good, I'm skinny and anorexic. I swear to you. Don't fuck with no KFC. Well, I love KFC. With that pickle chicken, taste, man. Taste. Taste, man. Damn. To be honest. How I tell you?
This shit actually pretty good.
Pretty good? Pretty good.
What you better?
No. Pretty good. What you tell a little ugly ass child at a talent show that can't sing. Baby, you were pretty good. This is damn good.
Man, this shit is really good, man.
Ain't it good?
Hell yeah.
Look, y'all. All right, hood folks, put the camera back on me. Nigga, man. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know that y'all can be expecting videos on top of video from me. Probably in 2 weeks. But I will do another cooking video Sunday. Y'all give this a try and tell me how y'all like it. KFC, fuck you. I promise you, this tastes way better than KFC. And I ain't just saying it because I cooked it. Hood folks, I appreciate y'all for supporting me. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Y'all got me up to like 3,500 subscribers. Shit, y'all showing out. What y'all trying to do? Get some of this good? Anyway, I'll see y'all next time, hood folks. Bring down him. Peace. Cut off.